Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 5's determinant chapter, exercise 2, question number 19. Question number 19 is, if 3 points are given to us and they have been given as collinear, we have to basically find this. So we have discussed it earlier in our earlier question that if the points are collinear, then the determinant value formed by the vertices are going to be 0. So let us go ahead. 2, 0, x. X vertices, x coordinate of the vertices, add 0, 5 and y. And then the third column is simply 1, 1, 1. And this is why this is 0, because they are collinear and that's a property of the determinant. Now, if we just expand it from the first row, I'm expanding from the first row, 2 into 5 minus y plus 1 into 5x is equal to 0. So, little bit of manipulation. So, 10 minus 2y, 10 minus, okay, this is minus 5x is equal to 0, taking everything to one side. 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now, divide by 10 and we get this. Divide by 10. So, x by 2 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. So, we get back the whatever is asked to us. Thank you.